Hey guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to factory reset Vizio TV. So if you're interested, let's start tutorial. This case of resetting to your factory settings here on your Vizio TV is fairly easy because of the article that Vizio actually provided us. Now, by the way, this is from the official website or the support page for Vizio. This is support.vizio.com if you want to learn more about certain steps that you can do. But in this case, what we need to do here is you first need to press the menu button on your remote control. Now, if you have trouble finding it, look for the gear icon. Now, depending on your TV model, the reset options can be in different places. So again, this will be dependent on your model, but they have or illustrate a few things that you can do here. So generally, you need to go to menu. You want to go to admin and privacy and then reset to factory settings. But if you don't see admin and privacy immediately, you might need to look for either system or all settings first before you should be able to select admin and privacy and then reset to factory settings or reset to factory. Now, if you've set up any pin code on your Vizio TV here, you need to enter it. But if you haven't, the default pin code here is going to be 0000. So just 4 zeros. Now, once you reach the reset option, the TV will display the message like select reset to restore all TV settings to factory defaults. Highlight reset, then press OK on your remote to confirm. Now, after confirmation, your TV will power off and turn back on automatically, starting the setup process as if it's brand new. And that's about it. So, hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.